Hi YouTube! We are at day 8 of Vlogmas. Night 8, I must say. Because, you know, flying in yesterday and we sleep majority of the day, then we wake up and we edit the Vlogmas them so we can be on top of things. So tonight we're actually heading to a Jamaican restaurant. What the restaurant name? Double C? Peppa Seed. Oh, that's what. Can you remember saying in our vlog too? They got Peppa Time. And we call Peppa Time Peppa Seed. I know some of us slow, you know. I know some of us school. That is why I did I get it mixed up, because I know there was a Peppa Seed, you know. I know there was a Peppa Seed. Made it to Pepper Seed. Persh ordered the fish, the brown stew fish, you get? Brown stew snapper, but she said to order it ahead of time, so you can't wait. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but I know it's not fish. Fish takes so long to eat. I can't wait to buy, and then with the braces, no, so I make one piece of bone stuck in the braces, and I swear to you, it is not worth it. So I think I'm gonna get brown stew chicken. Steam veg. What is that over there? So that one is the brown stew. I can do it with oxtail gravy. The rice, oxtail gravy on the rice. Okay. You know, sometimes them say, oh, the oxtail gravy. What is this? This is soup. Oh, okay. I want them plantain as a side. Can get dark meat, so leg and side. Oh, you know it, must I don't know your by face. Oh. Yes, please, on the rice. Jamaican themed Christmas tree. Oh, look how cute! And then I have another Christmas tree over there. But I call it decorate. Oh, they have ice cream. But we have ice cream at home, right, Hirsch? Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Preach. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Coming to, oh, Peppa seed is coming to Pembroke Pines. Rise up this morning, smiling. Smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds. You just can't live in that negative way. Wait for the positive day. But ice cream they're home, so we're not gonna eat ice cream tonight. You know something never yet see pink? $8 to video? Oh, that fish looks nice. Yes. I want to try this because I've never seen pink tiki. You want a pink tiki? No. Juice the old, not juice the new. I see Mavado. I see my local people recognize. Isn't that Sprague Benz? I think. Christopher Martin. Yeah. Oh, Beanie Man, Mr. Beanie Man, and Mr. Lex. Yes. What you say? Which one? This one right here, no Sprague Benz in the green. Oh. One of the Marlies. Okay. Who is this at the bottom right there? What's my name again? Pixie, what do you know? My name again. I don't cut Tony Curtis. I Tony Curtis now. One big the one where you take picture with you know. I don't remember when you. She just take a picture with him too, you know.
Oh, Louis Culture.
Louis Culture. So purchase said I'm coming soon to Pembroke Pines sign that from long time. So let's not hold our breath, but it's me like inside is nice. Oh, I beg your word. Ooh, she never put no plants in. At least she put the oxtail gravy. And then the chicken. And the fish. The fish look mightily well done. Okay. You know, the rice is the key. If the rice tastes good, them can cook.
You say if the rice tastes good, them can cook? Have it over then.
The fish tastes well seasoned. I like when the rice the same color as the peas. Yeah, man, this tastes good. Me see why you them know you by name. By fear. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And for it to be end of the day, and it's pop bottom and it tastes good.
I just need the gravy.
Yeah.
You said sweet me all the tone and never hungry.
You make me eating.
Yeah.
Well, so whatever you want, I'll get something light. Cam got me a gift. He went to the store and picked it out himself. Let's see what it is. We have a card. Oh, look how he put the little sticker on it. He's such attentive to details. Oh yeah, I'm not opening it yet.
In the box.
We unbagging first and then we unbox. And then this. Which one should we open first? The bag, the box, or the paper?
Box.
Box. Let's do the box first.
I was taking garbage.
She knew to set. The box have a bag. It says R.H. Macy and Co. Fine Jewelry. The box have a bag. Kids feel.
Get my money.
Come on. He got money. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, these are nice. Is this giving? Look. Yes, look at details. Talk to me nice. These are giving baby christening. Details. Oh, these are giving baby christening. All right, which one should I open next? Card. So we have box. Those are cute earrings. That's the card. The card is so neat, me know. My God, you know, you know, the card looks so nice. This says, the only thing better than having you as my... Look, gosh, this long for read. I'm gonna scratch here. I think I know. Oh, it's not working. I see the wheel. But it's food in my teeth. I see a wheel. No, so this not work. You know, coin. I think it's my nail. It's all work. It's all work. I see it. I see it. Wait, I should be showing you guys. Look. Look, a fast forward that part. It's my ADHD wants it to be perfectly off. I see it. Because I need the whole thing. Oh.
I don't know why you're not using the other part of the key. At first
This
I thought you
part.
were trying to hide
The key.
because they're not sponsor you.
Even if they were, I guess.
You don't make somebody with the big part.
This part, use this part.
Yeah.
And now when we get to the end, you know, oh my gosh, it says, the only thing better than having you as an auntie is having you in my life to guide me with love. Will you be my godmother? Of course, of course. So now I have a goddaughter and a godson. Talk to me nice. I always knew I wanted my child to have multiple godparents, godmothers. Wait, you want this pan camera? Each with their own special purpose. After thinking about everyone whom we wanted to give the title in all caps, we realized the final puzzle piece was you. The spice, the personality, the extra seasoning. God knew our son needed. Your kindness, your genuine heart, your warm energy, plus the fact that you are a whole vibe. Come on, Cam wrote this. Makes you a perfect person to help guide him as he grows. Basically, ... I need someone with sense and vibes. Talk to them nice. Our friendship has grown so beautiful over the years. I wanted his bond with you to grow like that, full of love, laughs, and a bag of memes. So I'm asking you officially, will you be one of Cam's godmothers and help mold this little boy into the amazing man he's destined to be? P.S. The squad just wouldn't be completed without you, of course. There's one more gift. This gift took 5 minutes for. I'm gonna fast forward.
They said that's what I'm saying. Vlogman, you are
think them slick. This one next. That's why you said we're beige to the.
I should have put a note for that one.
Oh.
Run.
This says the best aunts get promoted to godmother. Oh, this is so sweet. Yay. I got a promotion.
So is that and that never come? The card
When you-
and so when I said not.
Oh, when did it come then?
When you tell me yesterday, but then I came straight to the
Oh, I don't know what this other pan. Yes. I think I won't put it on the rear view mirror. When I had my first car, somebody had got me a keychain and I hang it on my rear view mirror. And I was thinking of one to hang on my but I don't need to attach it down.
That charm, like a lanyard or something.
To bring it down. So anybody who step into my vehicle will know. Talk to me guys. This is so cute. My godson is sleeping. Okay guys, we're gonna close out this vlog by trying pink tiki. Honestly, I feel like everything is the same flavor, they just put a different food coloring. So I don't think it's gonna be anything special, but for the sake of Vlogmas, if you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas, please let me know. Leave something in the comment section. I see the views and I see you guys been watching, but I want to know, and give suggestions if you want to see more of one thing. Or I can't imagine anything else though. Okay. It looks the same like every single cookie. Smell the same. No, it's like a strawberry. I like a strawberry. The strawberry biscuit. Okay, that is it for Vlogmas 8. Thank you so much for watching. and see you guys in the next one.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey, Jamaica, Jamaica.